I'm here. This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. And boy, the weather has been crazy lately, all over the world. Massive earthquakes, quakes, or whatever those things are called. In Dubai, there's flooding. I mean, major flooding. In the United States, there's tornadoes all over the place. It's unreal. And one thing you need to have is a weather radio. And this is one possibility. This one comes with a lot of additional accessories. And it's the, they covered it up. SIYECK radio, emergency radio. And it's model 376WB, and it is on Amazon on sale right now for $27, 10% off. And it's AM, FM, and weatherband. Comes with this nice storage pouch. As a matter of fact, I buy things like this pouch for radios that don't come with it. So this is nice. They included that. There's the little manual. Here is the charging cable, and charging in or charging out, and a little compass in case you get blown away and don't know where you're at or where you're going. Has a carrying strap, cloth, that's nice. Telescopic antenna, which swivels, rotates, everything. Nice big display. Nice speaker with good sound, band selection, tuning plus, tuning minus, weather alerts on, volume up and down, SOS via the light, and power on and off. And this is the light function here. It's got 3 intensities. The third one is really high. This is a little tiny solar charging panel. I've not had much luck with those, but they do work. And we got a reading light. That's nice. And back here we have a crank to crank charge it. And then we can put batteries. What kind of batteries? I don't remember. Actually, I don't know. Let me see if it'll tell me real quick. AAA batteries. 3 AAA batteries. So you got a USB that you can use to charge the internal battery, which is 5,000 milliamp hours. That's good. You can use the hand crank to charge that battery, or you can use the solar panel to charge that battery, or use dry cell batteries. Now it says on the box, it says 5-way power in. I only count, let's see, USB, dyno, solar, AAA. That's only, oh, wait a minute. This is confusing. It's got 2 number 3s. So there's 4. I don't know what the 5th would be. Maybe you could figure it out. I'm missing something here. Maybe I left it in the box. It says it comes with earbuds. Guess what? I didn't get any earbuds. Not that I need them. Nope. No earbuds. Okay. I got gypped. Oh, no, I got gypped. Okay, anyway. So let me show it to you up close. Turn it on. I like the display.
Ports along the coast and offshore buoys.
There's the weather band. Turn the volume down. Plenty of volume, and it's clear. There, we got it turned down. I like the display because the lettering, the text is thinner. Some of these radios have real thick text, which is not a big deal. Oh, this is, they had covers to protect everything. Let me take this cover off. Didn't miss that one. Oh, and there's one on the display. I forgot that one. They do the little things that are important. So like protected the display, protected the light, and there was also one on the solar panel. I don't think there's one on this light. I can't tell because it's so bright. I think there is, but I can't tell. Again, there's the weather band. Nice bright display. It seemed to stay on for a long time. I don't know if it even shuts off. That's what I like. I know it drains the battery, but I like the display to stay on. I mean, the backlight is what I mean to say, the black light. It doesn't have ATS, automatic tuning and storing. It does have automatic tuning, and it will search for the next strongest signal. And we can go to the FM band, and we'll turn the volume up, but I got to watch. Now, when it does do a search and it hits a good strong signal, this green light will come on. That's nice. This, I'm not sure. I think this is the power, percentage of power you got. I took this right out of the box. I didn't even charge it. Let me check in the manual here. Says indicator light. Indicator light. And then it doesn't tell me what indicator light is. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, let's see. No, it doesn't have to do with flashlight. Well, flashlight's bright. Anyway, let's, like I say, you have to manually tune it basically. You can either just push this quickly to manually tune, or you can push and hold, and it goes to the next strongest signal, which I get the volume down. I'm keeping it down because it's music. So it will search from where it's at and then find the next strongest signal. No ATS. But, you know, on a weather radio, you don't really need ATS. It's not a big deal. No, I don't want that. We said we see if we can find something besides music. There we go. Volume.
Okay. Yeah, Henry, we don't have that problem as Florida residents, but this is a great point. A lot of people are Florida residents, but they have property in Pennsylvania or another state. That real property is governed by that jurisdiction.
And you can manually tune. Push and hold. Picks up a lot of stations. Yeah. Reception is great. Now, the one thing I did notice, let's go back to the weather band. Okay, there's one strong. That's the one I normally get real strong. 162.45. That's still the previous one.
Mid-60s. Wind west at 2.
Huh?
Temperature 7. After midnight. I'm listening area.
Wow.
For the following 5 knots. Becoming sub.
So
Where? Bradford.
it's really sensitive. So it's normally, and it's hard to tell, but normally I only pick up the weather signal stations on 3 of the frequencies. This one appeared to pick it up on maybe 5, but maybe they are the same. Maybe it's the bleed over from the 2 that it normally or 3 that it normally gets. Turn this back up.
Eastern Daylight Time flash this morning.
Okay, let's go all the way back down. Okay, there's
Slight chance of showers
4
and
zeros.
Monday night. Northwest winds 10 to
Now that one's weak.
feet.
That's good.
Wednesday. West Georgia.
That's good.
When and upper 80s.
Yeah. So I don't know if it's
Mainly in the morning.
trying to fake us out, and it's real wideband. So it's when it picks up one, it makes you think it picks up all of them. I don't know. I don't remember if what they're broadcasting on each of their frequencies is different. I'm guessing it's the same. So that would make it hard to tell which ones you're getting. But I seem to be getting 5. I normally only get 3, even with an outdoor antenna. So I think it's trying to trick us. Anyway, that's it. Let me look on the back here. One thing I don't like about these radios that that the radio is made by one company, and if you buy enough of them to sell, you can put your name on the box. There is the connectors for the small USB and the large USB for in and out, and the earphone connector, which I did not get any earbuds. No. I'm going to check one more time in the box. I don't think, No, I didn't get any earbuds. They gypped me. Oh, well. I got a couple hundred earbuds. Let me take this label off of here if I can. There, I got it off enough. There's the name of the company that sells them. Pretty nice little radio. Like I say, $27. Not bad at all, not bad. And especially if it's really getting all the weather stations, although you don't need, all you need is one strong one. And it has, I think I mentioned before, you can turn on the weather alerts where if there's bad weather coming in your area, they will send out a signal and it will decode that signal and do a beep or siren or whatever. I also think there is, I don't see it. Yeah, there's the SOS button right there, which flashes SOS on the lamp so people can find you in case you're buried in rubble or something. That's it. I want to thank you for watching. I've got some more of Jeff's radios coming up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.